letting go is something that all of us struggle. चाहे जो मर्जी उसका कॉन्टेक्स्ट हो, चाहे वो रिलेशनशिप्स हो, जॉब्स हो, कोई पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन हो, हमारा थॉट प्रोसेस हो, लाइफस्टाइल हो, बिलीफ सिस्टम हो. बट यहाँ आई एम पर्टिकुलरली टॉकिंग अबाउट रिलेशनशिप्स. कैसे पता चले, कब तय करें कि अब is the time to let go of this person or this relationship? There are two types of people. All of us have our wounded selves. हम सब emotional wounds carry करते हैं, and most of us carry them from our childhood, from our experiences. A lot of us carry some sort of trauma. A lot of us carry deep trauma as well. Trauma that is governing us. Trauma we are operating from. And the way we are operating and the actions that we take being governed by that are not healthy for us. Sometimes we have awareness, sometimes we do not have awareness. And the times when we have awareness, we all need some help, some ecosystem to help us heal. And there are times when we don't have it. But I am talking about situations specifically where people have an ecosystem to start healing themselves. So that is the first kind I'm talking about. There are people who are operating from their wounds, operating from their trauma, probably are dysfunctional, and then they gain awareness and understanding, maybe through another person or some other resource or tools or whatever. They gain awareness, they gain understanding, and they become committed, devoted, dedicated to healing themselves because they understand, they acknowledge, and they see the value in healing because they can see that how all of this is hurting them, is hurting the other person, or is creating unhealthy dynamics in their relationships. That's one kind. This is the kind that you need to hold on to. This is the kind that you need to hold space for. उनका हाथ हमें थामे रखना चाहिए. Now there is the second kind. The second kind which is too far gone to want to make any change. And before I go further, I want to clarify that कभी कभी ये जो स्टेटमेंट हम यूज करते हैं ना, they would if they could, sometimes people cannot because their trauma is so big, their wounds are too deep. But I can promise, because I don't know that I have forgotten the kind number of things that I've healed myself from, and there was such deep emotional wounds, and I had such big trauma, complex trauma I've had, and I know that if you're devoted to it, you can heal. So I think it also comes down to the choices that you're making, and if the choice is too hard, you are like, I don't want to do it, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा, मैं ठीक हूँ, take me the way I am. So coming back to the thing that the people too far gone are, they'll have understanding, they'll have awareness, and the other person or the people are providing them the ecosystem, creating an ecosystem for them through love, care, attention, having discussions, being empathetic, being compassionate, being kind, and being forgiving also about their actions and their behaviors. They take all that, they enjoy all that, and they admit also to you, yes, I understand, and they say that, yes, I'm trying to be vulnerable. They admit things also, but when the time comes for them in the moment to apply that knowledge, apply that understanding, apply that awareness, they don't do it. It's very easy for them to go back to the pattern because that is where they feel most safe. And I'm not saying that that's a bad thing, because for some people it can be very difficult, but I know that this is doable. What they'll do is they'll project everything on you, they will lash out, they will make you the bad guy, they'll make you the villain, and they will accuse you of not understanding, not being there, and all sorts of things that can go to the extent of being cruel. They'll gaslight you, they'll manipulate you in conflicts, and having conflicts with them always blows up into something that's explosive and reactive, and they'll be emotionally reactive in conflicts. And if it's a pattern, one or two events is okay. People can have relapses, but if you are dealing with people with whom this is a pattern and it continues on and on and on and on, please understand that this is the person who is too far gone, and this is the person that you should let go of. This is the relationship that you let go of. It will be very tough, it'll be very painful, but I can promise you this is doable. So if these are the symptoms that you are observing with somebody in your life, it's time to let go, it's time to move on, it's time to find peace for yourself. I hope this brings some context and brings some help as well. Take care of yourselves.